Hey Savannah, what are we getting ready to do?
Learn family pictures.
Family pictures? Can I see what you look like? Oh, you look so beautiful. What are those? Are those tomatoes or apples?
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes?
Do you like apples?
I love apples.
I love them too.
You do?
I love carrots.
You like carrots? So does Sissy. What are you doing?
I'm juggling a tomato.
You have to use 3, silly. Did you know Cousin Caitlin can juggle? Maybe she can teach you.
I can juggle with 1 tomato. I'll try 2.
Okay. Oh, almost. Almost.
Maybe I'll try with 1.